That was better. Now I can see again.
Well, that was that.
Yes, simpelthen. Is the julekalender finished? Yes, Günther. You can slap off now. That's bare dejligt. Yes.
It's the last julekalender where I'm banging around on a backpack. The sky hurt and the shoulder drops.
Yes, Hansi. Do you remember when you in afsnit 9 said, this is a rotten afsnit to be within?
But that was a rotten afsnit.
Yes, it was, but it was also a good winning. Maybe we can use that in another julekalender.
Oh.
When shall I say my replikker?
What replikker?
The replikker in my manuscript.
That's for sent now.
The julekalender is finished.
What?
And to you, Horst Günther, when you said he was a very busy businessman, when did I say that? Oh, I think that was in afsnit 6.
I forlang to say my replikker.
Yes, but here is the best. Is it so that you eventually have just a little bit overlook over when it could go in to be finished? That's a good winning.
That's a good one.
Yes, it was also me who said it.
I have not come here to lay in my bed for 24 afsnit without saying noget. I'm a famous scout player.
Scout player? Where did you learn to speak English?
I learned it from myself.
Yes, that can we listen. Yes.
Come on, say it now.
No jopas jotakin. I can see again.
Well, se siitä. Well, quite yksinkertaista.
Jees, Kake, voit rentoutua.
Seikkausaletti. Itse viimeinen joulukalenteri, jossa pyörin repun kanssa ympäri kuin poraanterä. Ai, olkapeitäni särkee.
Jees, Hande. Muistatko, kun sanoit jaksossa 9, että this is a tosi mätä jakso temppuilla?
Se oli tosi mätä jakso.
No ehkä se oli mätä jakso, mutta erinomaisesti sanottu. Ehkä voimme käyttää sitä jossain myöhemmässä joulukalenterissa.
When shall I say my repliikit?
Mitkä repliikit?
My repliikit in my käsikirjoitus.
Se on liian myöhäistä. The joulukalenteri is loppu.
What? Muistatko, Kauko, kun sanoit, että he's a very busy business tonttu? Se oli erittäin hyvä ilmaisu.
Koska äidit sei tolleen?
Katsotaan, se oli jaksossa 6.
Minä vaadin to say my repliikit.
Yes. Mutta tämä on kaikkein paras. Kauko, voisitko ylipäänsä antaa jonkinlaisen summittaisen arvion siitä, koska se mahdollisesti voisi olla valmis? Tuo oli erinomaisesti sanottu. Mutta minähän sanoinkin sen itse.
I have not tullut tänne makoilemaan 24 jakson ajaksi in the sänky. Minä olen sentään tunnettu esiintyjä.
Esiintyjä? Where you did learn to speak englantia?
I learned it from myself.
Jee, siltä se kuulostaa.
Detta var bara läckert. Yes, that was that.
Yes, quite enkelt.
Is the julekalender finished?
Yes, you can slap off now, Günther.
Oh, that's only läckert.
Yes, this is the last julekalender where I'm bearing around on my backsack. It hurts in my shoulder blades.
Yes, Hansi. Do you husk in episode 9 when you said, this is a rotten episode to be within?
Yes, that was also a rotten episode.
Yes, maybe it was rotten, but it was a very good winning.
Yes.
Maybe we could use that in another julekalender.
When shall I say my replikker?
What replikker?
The replikker in my manuscript. That's for sent now.
The julekalender is finished.
Yes, and do you husk, Günther, when you said, he is a very busy business nisse?
When did I say that?
Let's see, it was in episode 6.
I forlang to say my replikker.
Yes. But here is the best one. Is it so that you eventually have just a little bit overlooked over when it muligens could be finished, Günther? Oh, that's a good winning.
Yes. I am not come here to lay down in a bed in 24 episodes. I forlang to say no. I'm a famous skueplayer. Skueplayer? Yes. Where did you learn to speak English? I learned it from myself.
Yes, that can we listen.
Yes.